good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to crochet a scrunchie, and the materials to use, we will need scissors, yarn, elastic and a hook. In this case I'm going to use a 3.00mm hook. Let's go straight into the tutorial. Take your elastic, hook and yarn, and then make a slip stitch like this. Take your elastic and then yarn over like this. Make a chain. Make another chain to be 2 chains. The stitch that we're going to use is double crochet. So this is how you will achieve a double crochet. You will yarn over, insert your hook, and then yarn over, pull through, like this, and then pull through all. This is a double crochet. Continue making double crochets all around your elastic until you get at the last chain. Keep on working like this. Let's meet at the end. Now I'm at the end of row 1. This is what I have. End row 1 with a slip stitch. Insert your hook where your chain 2 is, where you started, and then make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, you will chain 2, and then now for row 2 we are going to make 2 double crochet in every stitch. So since we have chained 2, this will act as a double crochet, so we will make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Move to the next stitch, make 2 double crochet in this stitch. This is 1, this is 2. Then move to the next stitch, make also 2 double crochet. This is the easiest tutorial ever. Ensure that you have subscribed. I know it has been long since we had a tutorial on my YouTube, and I know there are some waiting for these tutorials. Now I'm back. We will be having tutorial in every week. On Wednesdays we will be having a tutorial, a video, and then on Fridays I will be giving out a lifestyle vlog. So ensure that you have subscribed so that you don't miss. Let's meet at the end. I'm at the end of row 2. This is what I have. You can see ruffles have started forming. So we're going to end this with a slip stitch. Go at the top of chain 2, make a slip stitch like this, and then you will chain 2. After chaining 2, now for row 3 we are going to make 3 double crochets in every stitch. So this will act as a stitch. Now we will add 2 more. This is 1, 2, and then at the same stitch still make another double crochet to be 3. and then move to the next. Also make 3 double crochets. This is 1, this is 2, and 3. Keep on working like this until at the end of row 3. I'm going to meet you at the end. Now I'm at the end of row 3. What I'm going to do, I'm going to end this row with a slip stitch. Go at the top of chain 2, make a slip stitch like this. You can decide to leave it at this point or add more like this. I also have a tutorial for this. I leave it at the end. I leave the link at the end screen. Now I'm at the end of row 3. We will end this with a slip stitch like this. So you can decide to blend it with another color, of which I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut off first the yarn. After cutting off, I take another color, which is white. For this yarn, they are winter king. So you will chain 1. After chaining 1, what we are going to do, we are going to make single crochets in every stitch. So move to the next stitch, make a single crochet. To the next, make a single crochet. Ensure that as you are moving along, move with these remains of yarn of where you cut and where you started, so that you can secure this. Continue making single crochets all around. Now let's meet at the end. I'm at the end of row 4. Look at how beautiful this piece is. So we are going to end this with a slip stitch. It took me only 1 hour to complete this, and I used less than one ball of yarn. So ensure that you've secured this like this. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me, how do you feel about this tutorial? If this tutorial you want us to make, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye bye until the next.